Question number 17 of NCERT book. An electric heater of resistance 8 ohm draws 15 ampere from the mains in 2 hours. That means it is utilized, it is in use for 2 hours. Calculate the rate at which heat is developed in the heater. Rate. That means, see, the rate of heat produced is to be calculated. You know that rate of energy consumption is actually power. This is called power. And power, for formula, what we have provided in the given data, we have R is equal to 8 ohm, I is equal to 15 ampere, and the time T is given as 2 hour. This is the data available. Now I have to calculate power, and for the power we know the formula I square R. Then for I 15 whole square multiplied by R is 8, because this is the heat, okay, heat produced per power, so this much watt. Now 20 to 25 into 8 watt. Rate of heat produces this much watt or joule per second, we can say. So this will be equal to 1800 watt or joule per second rate. Both are same thing. So this is the answer of this question. Okay. Now you will say that what about the 2 hours? It is also given in the question. There is no use. Without using this, we can reach to the destination part, or we can get the answer. So there is no need, right? Otherwise, if you are interested, then first of all you calculate I square RT, the heat, and then again divide by the time. Thing would be same. So it is the better approach is, for this question you direct calculate rate of heat produced by using, that is the power, right? This is over. There are 2 lamps, one rated 100 watt 220 volt, right? So I can draw the figure by using this, like this symbol, 100 watt and 220 volt for one set, and the other 60 watt and 220 volt supply, and this is the rating, and the supply voltage is 220. That is, desired supply voltage is available for both the appliances. Now see here, we have to calculate the value of current in this. First I will calculate I1, let it be, and for this is I2, and question says the main current, the value of main current I require to calculate. That means I1 plus I2. That means first I will find the value of current in 100 watt bulb and then in 60 watt. After the calculation we will add up both, the main current we will get. Now you have the formula to calculate the current. We have formula is P is equal to V into I. So I is equal to P by V. I will utilize this formula for calculating I1. Then I1 will be equal to power is 100. Power is 100 upon voltage is 220. Now solve this. This is equal to 5 by 11 ampere I1. 5 by 11 ampere. And what about I2? I2 is equal to same for this, power is 60 upon 220. Simplify this. This is equal to 3 upon 11 ampere. Okay. Now you know that I is equal to I1 plus I2. This is the main current. I1 is equal to 5 by 11 ampere plus 3 upon 11 ampere. This ultimately will be equal to 8 by 11 ampere, and this is the main current drawn from the circuit. Okay, now that this thing is over.